Are you unknowingly killing your soil while trying to feed your plants? Every time you use chemical fertilizers, you might be destroying the very foundation your crops depend on. Just like our bodies need pure, nutritious food to stay healthy and strong, your plants desperately need living, breathing soil filled with natural nutrients. Healthy soil is the secret to vibrant plants, bigger harvests, and a safer environment for everyone. Today, we're going to reveal how organic fertilizers can transform your garden, save you money, and protect our precious planet from harmful chemicals. We have split this guide into 4 essential parts to make it incredibly easy for you to understand and apply. In the first part, we discuss the hidden dangers of chemical fertilizers and why they're damaging your soil, health, and wallet. In the second part, we introduce organic fertilizers as the natural solution that works with nature instead of against it. In the third part, we explore the different types of organic fertilizers you can use, from simple compost to powerful liquid fertilizers. And in the fourth part, we share practical tips and techniques to help you use organic fertilizers effectively and avoid common mistakes that many gardeners make. Section 1. Danger: hidden chemicals in your soil. Chemical fertilizers might seem like a miracle solution when you first use them. Your plants shoot up quickly, leaves turn greener, and growth happens fast. But here's the heartbreaking truth nobody tells you. While they give your plants a quick boost, they're silently killing everything beneath the surface. These chemicals destroy the beneficial microbes living in your soil, the tiny helpers that naturally break down nutrients for your plants. When these microbes die, your soil becomes lifeless. You get trapped in a terrible cycle where you need more and more chemicals just to grow the same crops. Your land becomes addicted, and so does your wallet. Think about your children playing in that garden. Think about the vegetables on your dinner table. Chemical fertilizers leave toxic residues on everything they touch. These poisons enter your body through the food you eat, causing health problems you might not even connect to your farming practices. Farmers who handle these chemicals daily suffer from skin diseases, breathing problems, and serious illnesses. Is a slightly faster harvest worth risking your family's health? The damage doesn't stop at your farm gate. When rain falls, these chemicals wash into rivers and streams, killing fish and poisoning the water your community drinks. Your soil becomes hard and dead, washing away during storms and leaving you with barren land. And here's the cruelest joke of all. You're spending thousands of rupees every season on products that make your farming worse, not better. Chemical fertilizers never improve your soil. They only create dependency. Meanwhile, your neighbor who switched to organic methods 5 years ago is now spending less money and getting bigger harvests from healthier soil. Ask yourself honestly, are you feeding your plants or slowly poisoning the land that feeds your family? Every bag of chemicals you buy today is stealing fertility from tomorrow. But there's hope, and it's simpler than you think. Section 2. The solution: organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers are the answer our grandparents knew all along. Before chemical companies convinced us we needed their products, farmers grew abundant crops using nature's own materials. Organic fertilizers work with your soil, not against it. They're made from plant waste, animal manure, and other natural substances that feed your plants slowly and steadily, exactly the way nature intended. When you spread organic fertilizer on your land, something magical happens underground. Millions of beneficial microbes wake up and start working for you. They break down nutrients, fight diseases, and make your soil soft and rich. Your plants develop stronger roots that can find water and food easily. They become naturally resistant to pests and diseases without any chemicals. The vegetables you harvest are pure and safe. Your children can play in the garden without fear. The water stays clean. The earth heals. Here's the beautiful part. Most organic fertilizers cost you almost nothing because you make them from waste you already have. Kitchen scraps, farm residues, fallen leaves, animal manure. These aren't trash anymore. They're treasure. Even if you buy ready-made organic fertilizers, your investment pays back quickly because your soil gets healthier with every application. Unlike chemicals that trap you in dependency, organic fertilizers set you free. Each season becomes easier and more profitable than the last. Making the switch to organic fertilizers isn't just smart farming. It's an act of love for your family, your land, and the future. Every handful of compost you spread is a promise that your children will inherit fertile soil, not poisoned earth. Your wallet gets relief. Your body gets pure food. The planet gets healing. This is the path forward, and it starts with one simple decision. Section 3. Types of organic fertilizers. Compost is your best friend in organic farming, and making it is incredibly simple. Collect your kitchen scraps, vegetable peels, dried leaves, grass clippings, and farm waste. Pile them together in a corner and let nature do the work. In a few weeks, those scraps transform into dark, sweet-smelling compost that plants absolutely love. This black gold improves your soil texture, adds nutrients, holds water better, and feeds billions of helpful organisms. The best part? It costs you nothing and solves your waste problem at the same time. Vermicompost takes things to another level by using earthworms as your farming partners. Set up a simple bin, add your organic waste, and introduce composting worms. These amazing creatures eat your waste and produce incredibly rich castings that are like superfood for plants. Vermicompost is more concentrated than regular compost and works faster. Plants treated with vermicompost grow stronger, greener, and resist diseases naturally. Many experienced farmers swear by vermicompost as their secret weapon for amazing harvests. Green manure is a brilliant trick where you grow plants just to plow them back into your soil. Plant legumes like clover or chickpeas between your main crops. These special plants capture nitrogen from the air and store it in their roots. When you cut them down and mix them into your soil, all that captured nitrogen feeds your next crop. You're basically making fertilizer while preventing weeds and erosion. This method is perfect for large fields because it costs nothing and enriches your soil naturally. Liquid organic fertilizers like Jivamrit and Compost Tea give your plants quick nutrition when they need it most. Mix cow dung, cow urine, jaggery, and pulse flour with water. Let it ferment for a few days, and you have a powerful plant tonic. Spray it on leaves or pour it around roots for fast results. These liquid fertilizers are especially helpful during flowering and fruiting when plants need extra energy. They're easy to make and work faster than solid fertilizers. Section 4. Tips for effective use. Using organic fertilizers effectively is easier than you think. For vegetable gardens, spread 2 to 3 inches of compost over your beds and mix it into the soil before planting. Give each plant 2 handfuls of compost monthly during the growing season. For larger fields, apply 2 to 3 tons of compost per acre. With liquid fertilizers, dilute them with water and apply about half a liter per plant every 2 weeks. Don't worry about using too much because organic fertilizers are gentle and safe. Timing matters for best results. Apply compost 2 to 3 weeks before planting to give nutrients time to settle. Add more fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks during active growth. Switch to liquid fertilizers when flowering starts to boost fruit production. After harvest, work compost back into the soil to prepare for the next crop. This rhythm matches your plant's natural needs. Store your finished compost in a shaded, protected spot and keep it slightly moist. Always compost fresh manure before using it because raw manure can burn plant roots. Prepare liquid fertilizers in clean containers and use them within a few days for best results. These simple practices keep your fertilizers working at full strength. Avoid common mistakes that slow your progress. Never apply raw manure to growing plants. Balance your compost ingredients between wet green materials and dry brown materials. Watch your plants for signs they need help like yellowing leaves or slow growth. Be patient because organic methods work steadily, not instantly. Remember that each application builds on the last, making your soil richer over time. Start small if this feels overwhelming. Make one compost pile. Try vermicompost on a few plants. See the difference for yourself. Every small step counts. One handful of compost adds millions of helpful microbes to your soil. One season of organic fertilizers begins healing years of chemical damage. With patience and consistency, you'll watch your garden transform into a thriving paradise where plants grow strong and healthy, naturally. You now have everything you need to start your organic farming journey. The hidden dangers of chemicals are clear. The benefits of organic fertilizers are proven. The techniques are simple and practical. All that's left is for you to take that first step. Imagine biting into a tomato you grew yourself, knowing it's completely pure and safe. Picture your children running barefoot through the garden without any worry. Feel the pride of watching your soil become richer and more alive each season. This isn't just a dream. Farmers around the world are living this reality right now, and you can too. If this video opened your eyes to a better way of farming, show us some love by hitting that like button. Your support helps us reach more farmers who need this life-changing information. Subscribe to Smart Farming Inside and turn on notifications, because we're constantly sharing practical wisdom that actually works in real farms and gardens. We cover everything from pest control to water conservation, crop selection to soil health, all with the same honest, practical approach you saw today. Drop a comment and share your story with us. Are you already composting? What's holding you back from going organic? Your questions and experiences help build our community stronger. Share this video with every farmer you know, because together we can start a movement that heals our land and protects our future. Thank you for being here. And remember, the healthiest farms start with the healthiest soil. Let's grow together at Smart Farming Inside.